Hey, let me ask you something. When you think about what really shapes a child's character, what comes to mind? Maybe it's the big talks, those teachable moments. But honestly, the real magic happens in the little things, the moments we barely notice. Fathers, you are the unsung teachers of virtue, not by giving lectures or spelling out rules, but by living your values every single day. Your kids are always watching. How you react when life doesn't go your way, how you treat others, how you handle yourself when no one's looking. That's where they learn what it means to be compassionate, wise, courageous, moral, and self-reliant. Let's break that down. Compassion. Maybe it's how you listen to a friend or comfort someone in need. Wisdom. Pausing to think before you act, weighing decisions with care. Courage. Standing up for what's right even when it's tough. Morality. Choosing honesty over convenience. And self-sufficiency. Showing your family what resilience looks like, day in and day out. I'll be real with you. Father-child relationships can be complicated. Sometimes there's distance, sometimes misunderstanding. Think of Franz Kafka writing to his own father, trying to bridge a gap, struggling to decode the meaning behind the silence. Even in ancient stories, from Greek myths to the Old Testament, we see both the best and the hardest parts of what it means to have a father. Not every lesson is easy, not every example is perfect, but here's what's powerful. Your influence lasts. Look at Cyrus the Great, who learned about love for humanity and courage from his father. Or Marcus Aurelius, who became one of history's wisest leaders, shaped by the men who raised him. Your actions ripple out, sometimes for generations. And here's something a lot of us miss. A father's love isn't always loud, it isn't always words. Sometimes it's quiet. It's in being steady, being present, showing up even when you're tired, offering guidance by just being there. You're not just raising kids, you're building character. You're helping your children learn how to stand on their own and how to care for others. So, if you ever wonder if your example matters, trust me, it does. The lessons you live are the ones that last. Keep showing up, keep being you. That's how virtue is taught. One day, one choice, one quiet moment at a time. Thanks for watching. If this hit home for you, share it with someone who needs a reminder of how powerful a father's example can be.